client recently asked me, he's been in business for years and he never trademarked his business name. So why does he need to trademark his business name? Now, there are 3 reasons you are going to want to trademark your business name. First, it's going to give you exclusive control over your brand. Second, it's going to prevent future disputes. Number 3, it's a business asset you'll want when you sell your business. Okay, first thing first, what is a trademark? A trademark is an exclusive right to use a particular phrase, brand, logo, anything like that, that the USPTO grants. This means that if you own that trademark, no one else can use that trademark. Now, this is really important because if you're a company like Nike, you want to only say you're the only company that can sell Nike products. No one else can sell Nike products. So that's why having exclusive control over your brand is important. And that's why trademarks are important. So that brings us to our first point. Why do you want a trademark? A trademark gives you exclusive control over your brand. Like I just said about Nike, Nike has an exclusive trademark over the Nike brand, and that means only they can make and sell products with the word Nike. And that's important because they've put a lot of money and a lot of marketing into building up that brand. So of course, they're the only ones who want to be able to sell under that brand. So it gives you exclusive control over that brand. Number 2, having a trademark will prevent and save you a lot of time, money, and stress from dealing with trademark infringement lawsuits. Now, recently, someone emailed me saying that I was infringing on their trademark because of a blog I had started. Now, I'm a trademark lawyer, so I looked at this issue and said, no, my blog existed before you filed your trademark, therefore I can still use this name. Now, I'm a trademark lawyer, so this is easy enough for me to do. But if you face an issue like that, that might not be an issue that you feel comfortable with, or you'd have to pay a lawyer to handle a trademark dispute. You can avoid that entire dispute by having a trademark for your business name or your business product. So that's why it's really, really helpful to have a business trademark, because it's going to prevent a lot of future headache, stress, and money. Number 3, at one day we're all going to sell our businesses, or we should, because we're building an asset that is going to give us money at the end of the day. And so being able to sell it is really, really important. Now, when you go to sell your business, what's going to be really helpful to have as a business asset? Your trademark. That's just another thing that you'll want to have in your legal checklist. So to make your business all the more attractive, because if you sell your business and you say, hey, I have a trademark for it, that's even better, because that means your brand is that much stronger because you own the trademark. Okay, to summarize, there are 3 reasons why you want to file a trademark. 1, gives you exclusive control over the brand and prevents anyone else from using that. 2, it'll save you a lot of future stress and hassle if someone in the future should say, oh, I filed a trademark, so you have to stop using this trademark name. Number 3, your trademark is another business asset that you'll want in your legal toolkit when you go to sell your business. Now, if you have any more questions about trademarks, then leave me a comment below or reach out to me at ann@powerhouse-legal.com. Again, that's ann@powerhouse-legal.com. Thanks. Bye.